Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to install our Monarch trigger for your Glock into your OEM Glock trigger bar. Firstly, you'll want to grab a block or something to allow you to punch the OEM trigger pin out of. You'll then take a punch and use a hammer to tap the punch down to knock out the pin. After the trigger is knocked out, you'll move it aside and dump out the contents of your Monarch trigger, including the small little Allen wrench. You'll see your trigger bar just slides in here, and then you'll use the Allen wrench to tighten it down here in a second. Next, you'll want to grab out the red Loctite that we'll send with all of these triggers. You'd either use a razor blade or a pair of scissors to open this as well. Next, we'll just dab a little bit onto the set screw. Right here I'm just staging the little Allen wrench to help tighten it down here in a moment. Once the trigger bar is in, just go ahead and turn this clockwise until the set screw is fully seated. Grab a paper towel and wipe off any excess Loctite. Right here I'm just making sure it's seated all the way. And here you go. Ready to drop into your Glock.